Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam and get a chance to get 100% scholarship and cash awards for class 7 to 12. Admissions are open for repeaters medical for NEET 2023.
आदोगादांनी बोवाळ केल्या उपरांत म्हापशा सब रजिस्ट्राराच्या कचेरेचो कारभार जाग्यार घालपाची तयारी. जिल्लो रजिस्ट्रार सिनियर अधिकारी सूरज वेर्णेकाराक म्हापशेच्या सब रजिस्ट्राराचो अतिरिक्त ताबो दिवन थंयचो बॅकलॉग क्लियर करपाची तयारी कायदो मंत्र्यान केल्या.
आणि बॅकलॉग करून ताका एक सिस्टम आमी आतां डिवायज करता की अशें आनी खंयच्या जाग्यार जर सडनली खंय बूम जाता खंय बूम जाना आमकां खबर ना. सो द सिस्टमा भितर आतां एनडीएसा भितर आमी एक सिस्टम हें करता की स्टेट रजिस्टर in case there are other than lot of pending more than 4 or 5 days or 6 days pending for the reasons of not being able to give a slot will be directed by the state register to the other sub registers who will act on behalf as that particular taluka's register. So वो system हम करता. In the meantime म्हापसाचो issue आसा तो sort out करपाक senior officer आमी transfer केल्या. From tomorrow or today they will join and immediately they will work out a solution on removing the backlog of vacancies. So most senior amso jo Suraj Vernekar is one of the most senior and efficient officers of the department. He's been given charge as the district register. Even though he is promoted as district register, he is given sub register charge.
म्हापशा सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिसाची सिस्टम जाग्यार पडटली. मात अर्द कच्ची माहिती आणि ऑनलायन अर्ज करून उपरांत दुरुस्ती करपी वांयगण्या आदोगादांक शिटकावणी.
I noticed that advocates or clients of the advocates or clients themselves are putting numerous of sale deeds uploading. हे बंद जातलें आनी तेजे खातीर म्हाका स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवन ज्यो गोष्टी मनीसूच ना आनी तेणी अपलोड केला आनी थंय येवन मागीर मॉडिफिकेशन करता ह्यो हांवें नांवां काडपा लायले कोण करता ते which clients have done or which clients portal कित्याक आमी एडवोकेटाक एक registration number दिला. So which advocate has put such type of application where no names are put in, we will identify and further action will be taken. What action we will see, what will be taken.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट स्वप्नील तारी.